What we try to do is very careful primary research so we understand what's important to a market. Then we can proceed with a high degree of confidence to emphasize. We usually end up with 3 specific things that we know are important. So we SEO around those importance factors, but it's driven by primary research, so we've asked the market. And I think one of the things that's key with SEO is to keep it in a very close proximity to the philosophy of marketing, which is to go ask the market what they think and then have a really crystal clear understanding of that, knowing how they're probably going to look for your product online, having a real connection to an actual human and how they might be exploring a way to buy something more intelligently, that kind of thing. I think it's much more than a technical exercise. You want to write really well and then apply SEO rather than let SEO wag the good writing dog, so to speak. But we work hand in glove with our SEO, so we're thinking about SEO through the whole process of our primary research to the strategy, to the content calendar even, and in particular trying to really have a really well thought out sense of how people are actually searching for the product and just try to be as easy to find as we can make it. And I think that's where SEO really does its best work, is ease of use for either a business to business buyer or a consumer to find what they want.